On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2012 Jayco Eagle 321 RLTS. This model offers triple slide-outs for additional interior space, double-glazed windows, and extra insulation for four-season camping. The large exterior pass-through storage area has a docking control station on the street side. Inside, you will find plenty of exceptional features that will help make the living space extremely functional and comfortable. The kitchen features hardwood cabinets, solid surface counters, refrigerator/freezer, gas stove, microwave convection oven, and a large sink for easy cleanup. The living area features a large flat-screen TV, home theater system, and a beautiful ledgestone fireplace. Relax and unwind on the reclining theater seating or stretch out on the large jackknife sleeper sofa. As you head to the rear of this unit, the bathroom on the left has a shower, storage cabinet below the sink, mirrored vanity, linen closet, and features a convenient second door to the bedroom. The front master provides a relaxing space with a queen bed slide-out and plenty of storage space in a wardrobe closet. There is also a chest of drawers with a TV above, opposite the bed. This Eagle fifth wheel by Jayco is a virtual home away from home on wheels that will provide you a one-of-a-kind traveling experience. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.